Hi, I'm Harminder Singh and I'm going to cover the 5 best films of the year 1944. The year 1944 is considered as one of the best years of the Hindi film industry. Reason? The year introduced the legendary actor Dilip Kumar Ji and the famous character actor Om Prakash Ji. In addition, the year also established Naushad Ji as the leading music director of the Hindi film industry. Now, before I dive into my 5 best films, I would like to share the other top movies of the year. Here they are.
Ratan is the highest grossing film of the year. The producer spent 75,000 rupees on production with a phenomenal returns. Dost is the second highest grosser of the year. It also ranked 21st on the list of top earners from 1940 to 49. Bhavra, the third highest grosser of the year and one of the top films of KL Sehgal ji. Meri Behan, this is the fourth highest grosser of the year and also Sehgal's best film at new theatres. Bhartari, the fifth highest grosser of the year and the second hit movie of Surendra. Mumtaz Mahal, the sixth highest grossing film of the year and one of the hit movies of Chandramohan in 1944. Chal Chal Re Naujawan, the first hit movie of Ashok Kumar ji in 1944. Parbat Pe Apna Dera, the first Silver Jubilee movie of 1944. Lal Haveli is a runaway success of Surendra in 1944. Now coming to my top 3 and 2 special films of this segment, I would like to start with Ratan, directed by M. Sadiq, produced by Abdul Rashid Kardar, and starring Swarnlata, Karan Diwan and Amir Bano.
बेवकूफ कहीं का सच मान रहा है मेरी बातों को बचपना खत्म हुआ गोविंद अब हम तुम दोनों बड़े हो गए हैं घरानों की पत और लोकलाज का भी तो ख्याल करना चाहिए
Movie explores the complexities and disappointments of the caste system in India. Govind, played by Karan Diwan, and Gauri, played by Swarnlata, are childhood friends who love each other. But the caste system in those days was tightly knitted in the societies. And since they belong to two different castes, they can't marry each other. Instead, Gauri was forced to marry Ratan, who is played by Vasti, who is twice her age.
हाय भैया ये तुम्हारी बिटिया है
मैं पाँव पड़ा था आपके कि दूसरी शादी कर दो जी नहीं लगता मेरा
क्या मतलब
ये कि बहू की बजाय कार्टून क्यों उठा लाए हो घर में आंख में फोला मुंह पे चेचक के दाग
किसकी आंख में
The film is noted as the film which made Naushad ji as one of the top contributors to music in Indian films. The second movie of the year is Meri Behan, produced by New Theatres Limited, Calcutta, and directed by Hemchandar. The movie starred KL Sehgal ji, Sumitra Devi, Akhtar Jehan, Chandrabati Devi, and the famous actor Madan Puri ji. Madan Puri ji was the first cousin of KL Sehgal ji, and with whose help he started to make a mark in Bollywood.
पानीपत की पहली लड़ाई
हाँ।
पानीपत
बस और पानीपत की दूसरी लड़ाई कब हुई थी
दूसरी लड़ाई पहली लड़ाई के बाद
डॉक्टर लोग कहते हैं कि खून बहुत बह चुका है बिमला के जिस्म में फौरन खून पहुंचाने की जरूरत है मैंने अपना खून देखने के लिए
Here is a video clip of Madan Puri ji, who acted as a doctor in this movie.
आप अपनी बहन को देख सकते हैं जाइए
ये क्या है भैया
कुछ नहीं
नहीं कुछ तो जरूर है
अरे मैं कहता हूँ कुछ नहीं जाओ पानी का एक गिलास लाओ
पानी तो लाई हूँ
ओह पानी ले आए अच्छा तो जाओ कुछ और ले आओ जाओ जाओ कुछ और जो मिलता है ले आओ जाओ
बहुत अच्छा तुम्हारे भैया भला ऐसा हाथ दे सकते हैं हाँ जरा उनसे मांग कर तो देखो और तो कुछ नहीं लेकिन इतना कह देती हूँ अगर मैं मांगूंगी तो वो मुझे जरूर देंगे हाँ देंगे
The movie was the fourth highest grosser of the year. The song Piya Milan Ko Jana, sung by Pankaj Malik and Ila Ghosh, was one of the biggest hit of the year. And the second, Do Naina Mat Ware, sung by KL Sehgal ji, is also a popular song of the movie. By the way, the film is cited as Saigal's best film at new theatres.
मुझे तुमसे यही उम्मीद थी, लेकिन उस दिन शहर में उखड़ी उखड़ी और दिल तोड़ देने वाली बातें बनाकर तुम अपने बारे में मेरा ख्याल क्यों बदलाई थी?
क्यों? क्या कोई कारण न था?
क्या कारण था?
तो क्या तुम अब भी मुझसे प्रेम करते हो?
The story highlights the bonding between the brother and the sister and how the relationship changes following a bomb raid.
जी का प्रसाद से लेते जाओ।
तुम्हारा दिमाग खराब हो गया।
भैया,
बिमला,
भैया अब क्या होगा?
कुछ नहीं होगा, घबराने की कोई बात नहीं।
अब तुम संभाल कर रखो। ये इस बात की जमानत है कि भैया फिर कभी नहीं भागने पाएंगे।
बड़ी आई जमानत देने वाली।
The Silver Jubilee film of the year was Parbat Pe Apna Dera, produced and directed by V. Shantaramji, starring Ulhas, Vanmala, Shantarin, Madan Mohan, Kanta Kumari and baby Nalini.
दुनिया की एक ही झलक दिखा के बेनूर क्यों कर दिया प्रभु। आंखों के जाते ही माता जी भी चली।
The story is something like this. Ram Babu, played by Ulhas, is a devout man living on top of a hill and taking care of Shiva temple. Meera Devi, played by Vanmala, is a blind heiress who comes to the temple and wants to stay with Ram Babu, who takes pity on her and lets her stay in the temple.
मेरे जीवन की जो
पिताजी, आपने मेरे लिए क्या कुछ नहीं।
मेरी बरसों की मेहनत अकारत जाएगी। कहीं ये जोगिया रंग कच्चा न निकले। भगवान, मेरी रक्षा करना, मेरी सेवा भक्ति की लाज रखना।
He cures her eyesight and they both marry.
मालूम होता हूँ मीना।
मेरे लिए आप हर लिबास में अच्छी हैं मेरे स्वामी। स्वामी,
जिसे देख देख कर मेरी आंखों की हवस बढ़ती।
On Dashera, during one of his chases after a young girl, he gets blinded by the fire from the effigy. He realizes his wrongdoings and once again gives himself up to the service of Shiva.
से तो छुटकारा नसीब हुआ।
A miracle happens during the tolling of a temple bell where Ram Babu regains his eyesight.
मीना, मैं तुम्हें देखने लगा।
Another runaway success movie is Lal Haveli is counted as Surendra's one of top 3 super hit films of the year. The other cast includes Noor Jahan, Ulhas, Vatsala Kumtekar and baby Meena Kumari playing the role of younger Noor Jahan.
मुंह तोड़ डालूंगा मुंह। हाँ, अगर चाचा से बदतमीजी की तो नालायक।
अपना तो कोई है ही नहीं। पिताजी के बाद बस तुम ही तो हो। तुम ही चाहोगे तो अपने।
The story is something like this. The aristocratic Thakur, played by Badri Prasad, lives in the Lal Haveli with his younger daughter Mukta, played by Noor Jahan. Mukta and Anand, played by Surendra, have been childhood friends and who fall in love when they grow up and vow to marry.
ये लफ्ज मुझसे ना निकाल, नहीं तो खाक का कीड़ा खाक ही में रहना चाहिए। सर उठाने से कुचल दिया जाता है। मुक्ता, अगर अपनी हवेली की इज्जत और चाहने वाले की जिंदगी चाहती हो तो आज रात तो मेरे मकान पर, लेकिन अकेले।
I want to briefly share 2 movies which did not do well at the box office, but they are special for us. The first is Jwar Bhata, directed by Amiya Chakravarti. It is a very special for all of us as it marked the debut of our legendary actor Dilip Kumar Ji, who went on to become one of the great actors of the Hindi film industry. The film also featured Mridula Rani Shamim Banu. She was related to legendary actress singer Khurshid Banu as well as Meena Kumari. The great character actor Aga Khan, K.N. Singh, Khalil and Mumtaz Ali, father of Mehmood. It was produced by Bombay Talkies and the music was composed by Anil Biswas. I wanted to share the video clips of this movie, but unfortunately I could not find it. The second special movie is Dasi. directed by Hiren Bose and starred by Najam, Ragini, Khairati, Kalavati, and the versatile actor of Hindi film industry, Om Prakash Ji. Om Prakash Ji was popular in Punjab All India Radio, and it was B.R. Chopra who urged him to carry on with his acting career. After a year of struggle in the film industry, he was finally complimented for his role in Dasi. Here are some video clips.
कौन? जिन्होंने उधार लाया है, 9 महीने दूध पिलाया है, बदतमीज।
इन्हें मैं यूं बनाता हूँ जान भैया, ऐसा न हो कि 4 आए और 3 वापस जाएं।
और चौथा कहाँ रह जाएगा?
किसी की लट में उलझा हुआ।
ओहो, कविता कहने लगे हो यहाँ आके?
क्या करें, दिल पे चोट लगती है तो इंसान कभी बन ही जाता है।
क्या चोट लगी तुम्हारे दिल पर?
तुम्हें छीन लिया किसी ने हमसे।
बकवास है।
जिसके पीछे बावले हुए फिरते हो, ऐसी ऐसी 50 खरीद सकते हो तुम। फूफी की बात।
Well, as a wrap up, I'd like to thank Wikipedia, Shemiru, Ultra Video, Sipple, and all other internet sources which helped me make this video. Now, stay tuned to see my 5 best films of the year 1945 in next week's episode. And if you like this video, please share it with your family and friends. Till then, see ya.